Did you confirm from them if these details were actually correct?
No, my brother wants to be an engineer.
I think let there be some reality to what you're doing.
Oh, I can't
What kind
change.
of you can't change okay, you want to actually change it. That's normal.
Wait. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I think she wants to be a lawyer.
Oh yeah, sure.
I don't know.
And she's
Because
not around for you.
before she wanted to be a lawyer.
And it's her favorite color blue.
Yeah.
So you want to be a footballer.
Mm,
Hmm?
yes,
Do you
sir.
know that football
Hello, sir. Sir, your voice is not cracking while you're speaking. I can't. Your voice is cracking. So I can't hear. No, your voice is cracking. While you're speaking, your voice is cracking.
Okay, can you hear me now, Simeon?
Yes, I can hear now.
Hello, Simeon. Can you hear me now? Is it better?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir. It's better.
hello, Simeon. Can you hear me better now?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. I can. Hello, I can hear you.
Are you aware of that fact?
Can you hear
Okay,
what you say?
okay.
I can hear you. Sir, please, what were you saying again?
Said that, do you know that footballers have to quit playing at an early age?
Yeah.
Are you aware of?
Well, they quit
Hmm?
footballing at young age. Is that what you said?
They have to quit playing football at an early age.
Wait. Let me focus my volume. They what? They have to be what?
Quit, quit, stop playing football at an early age.
Stop playing football. Did you say stop?
Who are the professional footballers that you know? Who are the professional footballers that you know?
I know
Hmm?
Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, Rashford.
Uh-huh.
But I need to get my
You
charger.
know, you have to go and get your studies.
Discussing about the
I'm coming, sir.
Gucci for fraud, darling.
Oh, sister. Eh?
Show and tell day.
Simeon, are
Yeah,
you
I'm here,
there
sir.
now?
Yeah, I'm here, sir. Yeah, but you're watching YouTube.
Can you hear me, Simeon?
It's like, hey,
So if you read that question well, I'm not sure you are doing it correctly. The question said, add a new key to each of them called parent. The value will be a list. Use update method to do this for child 1 and child 2. Then use the square method to do it for child 3. I don't think that's what you are doing.
you what?
If you are not sure about it, you better go and look at the last class. Go and look at what we did in the last class. There were two ways we added a new key to each um, dictionary. So go and find out if you are not sure, please. Open the file from last class. You see everything there. So it is missionary you went and typed. Did I say missionary? I said dictionary. Hmm. Oh, wow. Is this the last class? Updates. Okay, there's updates here. But I don't know. I don't think it was this class. It's the one that you called missionary now. I don't know where you heard missionary from, but obviously it was dictionary you were supposed to type. But me, only God knows what you heard. Doesn't mean I said missionary. And I go through it and look at where you were, where we did updates. Look at that one there. I think it should be there. So look for it. It's among the ones that we did there, where we added a new key to um um an
Okay.
existing dictionary. The dictionary
Okay. No,
started with,
no, I
have you
remember
seen,
now.
you remember now? Hmm? Was it square bracket? Uh-huh. Okay. So that's for child one. You see, that's why I said you should look at that thing very well. The question didn't say you should do update for three of them. The question said you should do update for child one and child two. Then use the square.
Okay.
There are two methods of adding. So this was not what the question asked you to do. Don't know how you're going to fix it now. Only child one and child two should be done in this way. Child three you are supposed to use the square method. If you don't know, go back to that code and check it. I think you should make everything the same in terms of the case. You say with capital T, maintain it. Now print each of them. Let us see if what you did is correct or not. What are you doing?
Okay, sir.
Is that it?
Yes, sir.
I think you are supposed to bring the keys.
I'm supposed to print the case.
Yes, that's the last question.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Well done. At least you tried. But I don't know how we can avoid this. You're having to do the homework during class time. Of your computer getting or getting
Sir,
restored.
sir. Oh, yeah, it is.
Any homework.
My dad, wait, uh, wait, of the new laptop. My dad
Yeah.
said he'll get it before this month ends.
That's the new one on your.
My
Okay.
dad said I'll get it before this month
All
ends.
right. So if you wanted, okay, I heard you. I heard you. So I want you to use a for loop and look through the values for child one. How would you use a for loop to do that? Did you
Yes,
get my
sir.
question? Use a
Please can
for
you
loop
repeat it?
to look through the values of use a for loop to look through the values of child one. Do you get that?
No, please can you repeat it?
Do you get that?
No, please can you repeat it?
Don't worry, let me send it. Let me type it. I don't know how to do it. Can you see what I annotated? Can
Okay.
you see what I annotated?
So, what is the word that you put THRU? Is that true? The value of child one?
Yes, true. I didn't want to type the full word, but it's true. CHROUGH. It's true that you know. Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead now. Are you printing child one?
Oh no, no, sir.
Hmm.
Um, why do I keep picking child one?
It's the values we want, not child one. It's the value I said you should look through and
Yes,
show.
yes. I wanted to put value, so I don't know why my brain is going not to put it.
Why are you not printing values? It's not value that you called it. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Uh, that's better. So that's the way. That's how to look through the value. Okay, now do you know that there's just like there's value, there's keys. So can you print through the keys for child two? Look through the keys for child two.
I should look through the keys for child two,
Yes, yes.
using the follow.
Of course, it's follow that we will use now.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Can I go to the toilet?
Don't be long though.
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Yes.
So the for child three, let's look through the items. I'm going to send you a code in the chat, or should I? Let me actually annotate. I'm going to annotate it so you see it on the screen.
Yes, sir.
So just try and type exactly what you see there. Just okay. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so change that this thing to no change the hold on, hold on. Okay. Okay. All right. Can you see it now? Now, do you remember what items is? Do you remember items? Do you remember what it is? for a dictionary? Do you remember? Hmm?
Wait, what
Simeon,
does
are you
item
there?
do in dictionary?
That can ask you, do you remember?
No.
Items is just, it's the key and value. A list of the key and values, but in tuple form. Oh yeah, click enter, let's see what it will show. Hmm.
Sir,
Click enter, let's see what it will show.
it put it in
So
like different lines instead of doing it like straight.
yeah, yes, we put them side by side. The key on one side, the value on the key on one side, the value on the other side. Okay. But then now let us do as if you are going to print chart 3 dot items. Let us see how it looks normally without
Sir, what is it?
uh, print, just print it. Chart 3 dot items. Put it in a print statement. Chart 3 dot items.
Child free no.
Print in the print statement. You have to print. I want us to print it. That's what I meant. Yes. Chart 3 dot items. Okay. Hey, no, you forgot to put the open and close parentheses. Okay, so can you see what it's showing? Can you see what it's showing? It's a list. It's a list of tuples. If you look very well, there is a tuple there. Name, comma, Simeon. Did you see that? That's the first one. How do I know it's a tuple? Because of the parentheses that's around it. Then the second one is age. Another tuple, age, comma, 11. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
And then the third one is fave color, fave underscore color, comma, red and gold. That is the key again, and then the value, a tuple of the key and the value. And then the next one is chosen career, comma, footballer. That's the fourth one. Let me count it. One, two, three, four. And then the fifth one is parents, comma, a tuple of parents, comma, list. So you know what this thing just tells us? So even inside the list, I want you to listen carefully. Inside the list, you can have tuples, okay? And then you can have tuples just like that. And you can also have, you know, a tuples and then list inside tuples. Just like you can have tuples inside a list. So in this case, it's a case of tuples inside a list. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So just understand that their collections, they can be collections of each other. So this is if you are asked what item is, you can just say it's a list of tuples, and each of the tuples is a key and value inside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's since we're talking about looping through. That's why I decided to bring this one up, the looping through the items. Let's look at the next concept for dictionary, which is um, how to copy a dictionary. Okay, if you remember, we did a copy for list, so we can also do copies. I think yes, we can also do copies for dictionary. So that's what we want to do next. Um, so can you just create a new dictionary? Don't worry, you're not creating new value. Just call it child 4. Just call it child 4, then put assignment operator. Uh-huh. Now put uh, child 1 dot copy. Child 1 dot copy on the right hand side. And then print that child 4. Let's see if it will copy all the things in child 1 into it. Remember, copy is a method, so don't forget to put the open and close parentheses. Now print child 4. Let's see if it's exactly a copy of child 1.
It is.
Okay, so it is. All right, that's good. So you mean that's how to do copy. Um, um, okay, another way we can do a copy is by using the if you remember that there's something like int, float, all those functions, then obviously there's also something like dict, which is short for dictionary. So instead of doing child 1 dot copy, I'll send you what you should do now. Just hold on. I'll send it in. Okay, maybe I should annotate it. Since it's easier to annotate. I'll be important. Okay, so I'm annotating. Just that sometimes it takes a while before the annot and the thing I'm annotating shows. But okay, so this what I'm doing now is for child 5. So you can just go ahead and type child 5 and then put assignment operator. I'll show you what is coming after that. Yeah. I don't know, my keyboard is acting up. Child 5. Okay. Because this other child. So let's do this one for child 2. Okay. All right. Can you see what I annotated newly? That's another way of making a copy. So this child 5 should be an exact copy of child 2. Can you see? Okay. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Print child 5. Let's see. Okay. So it's exactly a copy, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's see another concept. A dictionary inside. No, I hope you'll be able to handle it. Okay. Okay. So what I want to show you now is, yeah, it's not too complex. I want you to just look at it carefully. Maybe I'll send it as a chat so that you can copy and paste. Okay, now when you're copying this thing, be careful when you're copying it. It's simply a a concept of just like you can have a list inside another list or tuples inside the list. You can have a dictionary inside another dictionary. Okay, so that's what I'm
Yes,
sending to
yes,
you
sir.
now. Just look at it carefully, and it will not don't allow it to confuse you. I'll explain it. Okay. All right. Check your chart. So that's the only disadvantage of annotation. You can't copy and paste, but chart you can copy and paste. Now, careful. That's the first one, I believe.
We'll go to the next line.
You can stay on the same line. Like now, what you have just copied now, what you copied now is one dictionary. I hope you know that.
Uh,
Uh, so,
yes, sir.
uh-huh. All right. Okay, go ahead. No, I didn't say what happened. What did you do? Okay, okay, okay. So that's the second dictionary. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, all right. Okay. So, so can you see what's happening here?
Yes, sir.
Three dictionaries inside one dictionary called my family. The first one, its key is child one. Then the value is a dictionary which has name, Emil, year, 2004. That's the end of that one's value. Then the next key is child two. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Eh? Uh-huh.
Yes,
Just
sir.
follow me. Oh, it's not hard. You can see we're analyzing it. Child two. And then the value is a dictionary whose first key is name, survive, year, so probably the year of birth, I guess. Year 2007. And then that's the end of that dictionary. Comma, child three is the third key, which has the hold on, which value and its value name, Linus, and then year 2011. Okay, all right. So does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, all right. So hmm. Okay. So now let's see how. Let's say you want to access the value. Let's say you want to access the name value in in, in one of them. Now I want you to see how you're going to do it. Okay. So see what I'm sending you in the chat. So remember, my family is the overall dictionary. Then there's a child two key, and then there's a, 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 on that so what the should
Ah, Hello.
Wow.
Hello.
Can you hear me now? Is it better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Sorry, my internet um went off for a bit. Okay, so I was saying that you can see how to access dictionaries when you have one dictionary inside another. So it's like you start with the main one outside, then the key that you want, and then the key inside the other ones. Do you have any questions on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's while we're still exploring dictionary methods, we have done copy. Let's see this other one that is called funky. I think you have seen it. Um, okay. All right. So I'm sending you this via the chat. This is just a way to quickly create a dictionary, right? Using the keys that we specified. Now, take a look at it. Have you seen what I sent? You need to
Yeah, is this
copy
the
it
last thing
line
we're
by line.
doing?
Huh?
Oh, no, it's is this the last thing we're doing?
Say why you
I'm
should
not.
not be missing class. I don't usually like
No,
us
it's because
staying long,
I'm
but
not.
when you
No,
miss a class and we have
no,
to
it's
stay,
because I'm not. I'm not listening today.
you are not what?
Not eating today.
I'm not interested. That's why I'm not saying the same thing. I'm saying that we should, if you can be avoiding missing classes so that we don't have to be doing makeup classes. If we had not missed Tuesday's class, we would have been having to do 2 hours. Please correctly do this thing. You didn't copy well. Check what you copied. You didn't copy it well. Do you understand what is going on there?
Yes, sir.
What just happened was that a new dictionary called this Big was created using keys that you had up there. The first one, I think that looks like a tuple. The key one, key two, key three. and then we now say that all of them, their value should be the same. So this is a way of quickly creating dictionaries, that have the same value for all the keys. Continue from there on Saturday. Please make sure that you don't miss Saturday's class. That I will start having to look for a day to do makeup. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
What should I say to the listeners?
Huh?
What should I say to the firewall?
What should we call it? We started with the homework, right? Then we now went to look at uh, what what new thing, nested dictionary, and then from keys. So you can just say homework. What homework number is that? Homework 40, right? Was that homework 40? What's the
Uh,
homework number?
Homework 40.
Homework 40. Okay. So you say homework 40 space nested dictionary space
Wait,
from
come, wait. Homework 40. What else?
nested dictionary. Nested dictionary. Then from keys.
Sir?
From keys method. From keys method. From keys method.
Okay.
Method.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, I'm done.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, have a good day, sir.
Alright,
Bye, sir.
alright, bye bye.